So my name is Eyad Baddar. I'm the Presales Director at Dell Technologies. My role is to work with the solution architects team to help customers develop the solutions to solve their digital transformation problems and accelerate their journey. Yeah, this year at Dell, we struggled at the beginning saying, how could we enhance what we did last year? So what we focused on at Dell is to look at the solutions that transform people's lives. Because at Dell Technologies, we're aiming to drive human progress, and we kind of break it down this way. We look at workplace transformation, we look at AI and data, multi-cloud, data centers, cybersecurity, and of course, they're all important, bringing it all together. Because at Dell Technologies, what we aim to do is to make it easier for you to accelerate that digital transformation, to take advantage of AI, and to turn your data into gold. So at Dell and the ISG department or group, what we focus on is delivering enterprise solutions. So we have very commoditized parts of this business and very high value added solutions. And like you said, this is a very difficult thing to balance. What we do at Dell Technologies, we aim to take snowflakes, complex solutions, standardize them, build blueprints around them, productize them, then commoditize them. And this is a continuous evolution as technology progresses. If you look at things like AI a few years ago, even 2 years ago, was a very new emerging technology. And what we've done at Dell Technologies, we've built a standard blueprint called the Dell AI Factory with our friends at NVIDIA to develop a standardized way of deploying this to make it simple for customers to take advantage of newest technologies. And we do this across the board, across the whole portfolio. So data centers are under a huge amount of pressure currently with the emergence of AI. So we had our usual problems previously, which is around how can I lower cost, how can I improve efficiency, how can I scale the current infrastructure I have today to serve my needs. With AI, we've exploded this problem, made it 10x, 100x more complex to solve. So at Dell Technologies, what we're trying to do is work with our customers from helping them design solutions with the data center to better take advantage of the latest technologies. For example, a big issue around AI is around power and cooling and how you manage this. We've built solutions that reduce power requirements, reduce cooling requirements, and giving customer solutions, for example, like direct liquid cooling with warm water instead of cold water. This greatly reduces the cost to implement these solutions. In addition to this, we created unique technologies called rear door heat exchangers that reduce the cooling requirements by a huge percentage, saving costs, making data centers more efficient, and helping our customers leverage technology to its maximum use so they get the benefit that they're looking for. At Dell Technologies, we've been known for delivering servers, networking, storage, and HPC has been a big part of Dell Technologies for over 2 decades. Now with the emergence of AI, it's actually compounding the problem where we're having to accelerate HPC development and infrastructure for AI. So for example, networking has doubled and quadrupled performance in the past 2 years to cope with the demands of training AI models. On the server front, having to solve a problem of having the densest GPU per rack requirement to meet customers' needs to train these complex models. So what we've done is continually work as Dell Technologies with our own R&D and our partners research and development like NVIDIA, like AMD, like Intel, along with Broadcom to develop the solution to scale performance, bandwidth, and capacity to serve all these new models for AI as well as HPC.